Hello, my name is Glenda Williams, and today I would demonstrate my understanding of Zoom by exploring meeting options for Zoom. So let's start with settings. In settings, I will enable the waiting room as well as the meeting pass code. Also, I will enable to mute all participants when they join a meeting. And in the meeting chat, I will allow chat with the host and co-host only. I will save that. Next, we will enable the meeting polls and quizzes. So enable the whiteboard. And now I will enable the breakout room. We will go to schedule a meeting. Making sure it's set to my meeting. I'm going to scroll down to recurring meeting in order to set it at no fixed time. And save it. Now we use this link. Highlight the link and use it to access the Zoom and open the Zoom meeting. Okay, now I've invited myself into the Zoom. I'm going to admit myself. I'm going to also pin myself to the video as well. Okay, I'm going to open up the chat feature to show the chat feature as well as also the participants who are attending this meeting. I can use this feature to mute the participants, as well as I can also click on the three dots to rename the participant if necessary. Now I'm going to open up the breakout room. Here I can assign automatically or assign manually. I'm going to create 2 breakout rooms and leave it on auto assign. I'm going to open the breakout room. Here I can also broadcast a message for my attendees. If they need questions, need help, I can send a message to the participants. I can also share my screen if I need to. I can send a message here and broadcast it, and this would show also in the breakout rooms as well. So I'm going to X out here and demonstrate how to share my screen. Here I can use the whiteboard. I can share my screen also using my iPhone. I can connect to my iPhone as well. I can also click on files, and I can go to Google Drive to share any files I may have, as well as allowing my participants to do the same. So I am going to go back to basic and demonstrate the whiteboard feature. And this is where we can also create a text. So I can use that as well. So let me stop share here. I can also share any videos I may have. So I go on here, making sure that I click on share sound. And I can also show where I can share this in my breakout rooms. So, and then I can share here, and I can also make sure my participants can hear my video. going to stop share there. Also, if I need to show a video or change videos by using my document camera, this is where I can do that by clicking here. There would be a second option for me to show my document camera there. Along with that, I can show how I can go in and mute my microphone. I can also change my microphone if I'm using a different microphone. This gives me the option to select a different microphone as well as going into my video. Again, I can show the different features. I can go into video settings and go in and make different changes if I need to. And I also change the camera to a different camera in that setting as well as the audio. I can check the audio, making sure the audio, as you can see, it's going up and down according to my voice. And I can use it as well to test the speaker and any audio changes I need to do. I can go into the settings and make those changes. I'm going to X out here.